Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Polarity. My name is Lenny J. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, but I'm here and I want to talk about the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 in China. But first of all, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope today is a fantastic day for you. I hope this is a good start to a fantastic year for you. 2020, that's behind us. We're going to forget about it. 2021 is here. I hope you all have a very happy new year. So let's talk about Model Y and Model 3 in China. Model Y will begin deliveries in China in January. Actually, when you go on the Tesla website, a lot of my information is coming from the Tesla builder on their website. The Chinese builder has some new information about the Model Y. Now, Model Y in China actually has that new center console. And we saw the new center console on Model 3 here in the US. The refreshed Model 3 that everybody was talking about, 2021 refresh and all that. It actually had that new center console, and this center console is now on Model Y here in China. So far, it's not here in the US just yet with the center console, but this gives us a little bit of hope because Tesla does seem to like to streamline a lot of its production. So we'll see if that makes its way to Model Y built in Fremont here in the US. Another change on this Model Y in China that we do not have here in the US is bioweapon defense mode. The Tesla HEPA filter is inside of Model Y here, and it does have bioweapon defense mode, which we have seen on Model S and Model X here in the US. This is the first time we've seen it go past those models to a different model. Chinese built Model Y has it, so maybe the US one will have it as well. We also see a heated steering wheel on this Model Y for China. The China Model Y and the China Model 3 has a heated steering wheel. But probably the biggest or most notable change that you'll see when you first look at this vehicle is when you open the door up. The door panel here on Model Y actually has a wood trim piece. It extends on the dashboard all the way to the door. You'll find that a lot on just kind of regular cars you see from other car companies. They do tend to have that dashboard that floats all the way to the door panel. And this is here now on the Model Y, the Chinese built Model Y. Chinese Model Y isn't the only vehicle in China that's going to get this new door panel. The Chinese Model 3 also has this new door panel wood trim, but on the configurator on the Chinese site, if you actually build a Model 3, it will allow you to change it to white. So you can see what the white interior looks like with that wood trim that's extended to the door panel. So far, I'm not seeing anything about Model 3 in China having bioweapon defense mode with that Tesla HEPA filter. So I think that's a no-go. But one thing that is different from Model 3 that Model Y doesn't have in China are the performance wheels. So on Model 3, the performance wheels are the zero gravity wheels. These are 19-inch zero gravity wheels. On Model Y in China, these performance wheels are the Uber Turbine 21-inch Uber Turbine wheels we have here in the US. Here in the US, we actually have 20-inch Model 3 wheels that are zero gravity. They are part of the track package for the Model 3. That package is $5,500. It includes other goodies, but it does have 20-inch zero gravity wheels. The Chinese performance comes standard with 19-inch zero gravity wheels. So that's all I have for you in this quick little video here on New Year's Day. New upgrades for Model Y and Model 3 in China. Deliveries for Model Y start this January in China. Model 3 getting some decent little upgrades too. And hopefully all of these upgrades will make their way down to Model Y and Model 3 here in the US built in Fremont. So that's all I have for you in this video. Have a fantastic day. My name is Lenny J. I will see you in the next episode.